There's no doubt that AI cryptos are here to stay, and one in particular that bursted onto the scene recently is Render. And while the price of Render might be coming down right now in the short term, there could be a ton of opportunity and a ton of growth ahead for RNDR. I am really heavily looking and analyzing the AI crypto sector right now. That, along with the gaming side of things, I think are set to explode once we do have an altcoin rally or an altcoin season, or hell, just get out of this nasty ass bear market that we're in and get back into a bullish run where altcoins can see the light of day again. And I think when this happens, we're going to see a bunch of AI cryptos probably take off again. If you remember what happened back in 2023, very early on this year, we had an AI run. We also had a stock by the name of NVIDIA. It got hyped up on the AI revolution, and it saw some new heights earlier this year. Now, Render is a token right now already in the top 100, guys. This cryptocurrency ranked number 65, trading at about $1.56 right now. And you might be wondering, well, what does it do? Well, I'm going to give you a quick blurb on that, but highly encourage you guys to dive into this in greater detail. I do have another video or two out on Render as well on the channel. If you're interested in that, you could just do a quick search on my channel and find those. But Render Network Foundation is the leading provider of decentralized GPU-based rendering solutions. This is going to be unbelievable for the digital creation process. The network, what it does is it connects node operators looking to monetize their idle GPU compute power and artists looking to scale intensive 3D rendering work and applications to the cloud. Through this decentralized peer-to-peer network, the Render Network actually achieves unprecedented levels of scale, speed, and economic efficiency. On top of this, Render provides a platform for artists and developers to build services and apps for the emerging digital economy, including next-generation digital rights management, AI, and virtual assets like NFTs. The Render token is built for the future. Now, the price right now is taking a hit. An analyst has cautioned altcoin investors that he is actually waiting in the wings. He says, I want to see the final flush on altcoins before I start getting deep into them again. For now, we are hovering in limbo, which for me is not a sign to go heavy into them. And I agree with this on some level, but it really does depend on what your plans are, both with Render token or anything related in the altcoin space. See, if you have a long-term vision and you have a little bit of cash now, maybe start to dollar cost average. However, if you've got already a lot of funds allocated, maybe you just kind of sit more on cash and wait to see if there are some final drops in the altcoin market. It's so tough because it's so hard to time the market. That's why dollar cost averaging is the safest and most effective way if you really have a long-term vision. But with AI and with Render token in particular, I do think we still have some time before these cryptos ramp up again. So I do think we're going to kind of be stuck here for a little bit. Will we get another drop? I don't know. Your guess is as best as mine. But Render is one that I own already in the AI sector. It's also one I'm keeping a very, very close eye on. This is the weekly chart here on Render. This was the start of the year, guys. Back here was the start in January. We started at 41 cents earlier this year. That means year-to-date, Render still up 286%. It's by no means doing nothing here this year. It is like a lot of the top AI cryptos that have bounced off their lows from late last year, early this year, and now it's starting to see some movement. We are tracking it using our XT algo as well. If you want to know when the best opportunities are to get in and get out of assets, XT Algo could be a tool that you would like to use. It's a trading indicator. It's my company, built by industry professionals who do this for a living. I strategically made it super simple to use. I give you tutorials once you purchase, step-by-steps, how to integrate it and get it ready in your TradingView accounts. You can start taking advantage of some of these trades as well, these same trades that I'm making. Appreciate you guys as always. Excuse me. Appreciate you guys as always, and we'll see you in the next video. Hang in there. I know this bear market sucks, but it will get better. And take care. Bye.